Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to add a video or an attachment to your Trello card or workspace. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, make sure you log in with your correct credentials. After that, go to the top left corner, you can see this grid, click it, and then go to Trello. As you'll be redirected to this dashboard, go to your workspace, go to boards, scroll down, go to your boards and click the board you want. After that, simply go to one of your lists or one of your cards, click it. As you can see here, the attachment button, click it, and it will let you to choose a file from the local computer, or you can copy paste the link here. So for me, I'm gonna choose a file to upload. Note that for the free trial, you have only a maximum of 10 megabytes for the file size, unless you did upgrade your plan in Trello. So by that, I'm gonna copy paste the link here like that, and then click insert. As you can see here, the link has been added successfully. You can click this three dots right here to edit it or add a comment or even delete it. So to delete it, click delete and then click remove. As you can see here, it's pretty simple and easy. This video is a quick tutorial. I hope this video is helpful. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.